Learn English to Khmer past tense. I went to they went with.
ខ្ញុំបានទៅ
Welcome to the great going adventure. Hey, you are about to make past tense much less scary and much more fun. Today you will learn how to say who went where in Khmer, and nobody even needs to panic buy a grammar textbook. Imagine a tiny village where everyone is always going somewhere. One person says,
ខ្ញុំបានទៅ
I went. Then another points dramatically and says,
អ្នកបានទៅ
You went. A neighbor whispers,
គាត់បានទៅ
He went. Someone else corrects the gossip with style.
នាងបានទៅ
She went. Then a child points at a runaway ball and announces,
វាបានទៅ
It went. Soon the whole crowd joins in.
យើងបានទៅ
We went. A teacher looks at the empty classroom and sighs.
អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាបានទៅ
You all went. Finally, the last old man at the tea stall shrugs and says,
ពួកគេបានទៅ
They went. Congratulations, you have already entered the land of useful Khmer. Your mission today. You do not need to memorize a giant grammar chart. You just need to notice the pattern, repeat it, and enjoy sounding smarter every minute. In this chapter, your target words are, I went, you went, he went, she went, it went, we went, you all went, and they went. In Khmer, the action went often appears with
បានទៅ
the subject changes, and that is your big clue. So listen for the person first, then the action. Example
ខ្ញុំបានទៅ
means I went, and
ពួកគេបានទៅ
means they went. Tiny grammar win, huge confidence gain. Meet the cast. Let's meet the whole dramatic cast of people and one suspiciously adventurous object. Repeat after each one if you want. I went equals.
ខ្ញុំបានទៅ
You went equals.
អ្នកបានទៅ
He went equals.
គាត់បានទៅ
She went equals.
នាងបានទៅ
It went equals.
វាបានទៅ
We went equals.
យើងបានទៅ
You all went equals.
អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាបានទៅ
They went equals.
ពួកគេបានទៅ
If this sounds like a family reunion where everyone leaves early, yes, exactly. A very serious story about people leaving. Now let's make these phrases stick with a short, silly story. Your job is simple. Listen and notice who went. Yesterday, the village planned a picnic. First, I grabbed my bag and announced,
ខ្ញុំបានទៅផ្សាររំសូលមិញ
Then I looked for my friend and realized,
ម្សិលមិញអ្នកបានទៅផ្សារ
our lazy neighbor suddenly became mysterious because
គាត់បានទៅផ្សាររំសូលមិញ
the quiet girl was faster than everyone, and yes,
នាងបានទៅផ្សារតាំងពីព្រឹក
even the tiny paper boat escaped down the stream.
វាបានទៅ
By noon, the team was complete and
យើងបានទៅផ្សាររំសូលមិញ
when the teacher arrived and saw the empty yard, she cried.
អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាបានទៅផ្សាររំសូលមិញ
And the old shopkeeper just nodded wisely.
ពួកគេបានទៅផ្សាររំសូលមិញ
Moral of the story: never organize a picnic near a market. Pattern power. Here comes the useful part hiding inside the funny part. You are going to see the pattern so clearly that your brain may start charging rent. Look at this chunk.
បានទៅ
It carries the idea of went or completed going. Now add a subject before it.
ខ្ញុំ
Plus.
បានទៅ
Equals.
ខ្ញុំបានទៅ
I went.
អ្នក
Plus.
បានទៅ
Equals.
អ្នកបានទៅ
You went.
គាត់
plus,
បានទៅ
equals,
គាត់បានទៅ
he went,
នាង
plus,
បានទៅ
equals,
នាងបានទៅ
she went. Once you hear the pattern, the whole set becomes much easier. Mini dialogue at the missing picnic. Let's hear these words in a playful dialogue. Imagine one confused person arriving late and asking where everybody went. A. Where were you? B.
ខ្ញុំបានទៅ
To the market. A. And you? B.
អ្នកបានទៅ
2. Yes, I am reminding you about your own life choices. A. Where is Dara? B.
គាត់បានទៅ
A. Where is Lena? B.
នាងបានទៅ
A. Where is the toy car? B.
វាបានទៅ
Honestly, it had dreams. A. Did we stay home? B. No.
យើងបានទៅ
A. Where is the whole class? B.
អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាបានទៅ
A. And the neighbors? B.
ពួកគេបានទៅ
Repeat like a legend. Now it is your turn. Repeat each phrase after the pause, even if you sound dramatic. Dramatic is good. I went.
ខ្ញុំបានទៅ
You went.
អ្នកបានទៅ
He went.
គាត់បានទៅ
She went.
នាងបានទៅ
It went.
វាបានទៅ
We went.
យើងបានទៅ
You all went.
អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាបានទៅ
They went.
ពួកគេបានទៅ
Quick quiz without panic. Let's test your ears a little. No stress, no grades, and absolutely no angry owl with a green app notification. How do you say I went?
ខ្ញុំបានទៅ
How do you say you went?
អ្នកបានទៅ
How do you say he went?
គាត់បានទៅ
How do you say she went?
នាងបានទៅ
How do you say it went?
វាបានទៅ
How do you say we went?
យើងបានទៅ
How do you say you all went?
អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាបានទៅ
How do you say they went?
ពួកគេបានទៅ
Memory tricks that actually help. If you like memory hacks, here are a few simple ones. If you do not like memory hacks, pretend these are secret spy techniques. Picture footprints for.
បានទៅ
If the footprints are yours, say.
ខ្ញុំបានទៅ
If you point at a friend, think.
អ្នកបានទៅ
A man leaving through a door can cue.
គាត់បានទៅ
A woman disappearing with superhero speed can cue.
នាងបានទៅ
A ball rolling away can cue.
វាបានទៅ
A group selfie taken during a trip can cue.
យើងបានទៅ
An empty classroom can cue.
អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាបានទៅ
An empty bus stop after your friends leave can cue.
ពួកគេបានទៅ
One last challenge. Before we finish, try this final challenge. Listen to the English and say the Khmer out loud before the answer comes. I went.
ខ្ញុំបានទៅ
She went.
នាងបានទៅ
They went.
ពួកគេបានទៅ
We went.
យើងបានទៅ
You all went.
អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាបានទៅ
If you got even half of these right, that is real progress. If you got all of them right, please accept this invisible trophy. Thanks and keep practicing. Great job today. You learned a full set of useful English to Khmer past tense phrases, and your brain survived beautifully. Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing.
ខ្ញុំបានទៅ អ្នកបានទៅ គាត់បានទៅ នាងបានទៅ វាបានទៅ យើងបានទៅ អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាបានទៅ
And
ពួកគេបានទៅ
say them out loud, use them in tiny sentences, and come back to practice again soon. You are doing great.